We like to suggest that you put together a book right away at the beginning, kind of if you have some ideas of the design and the concept, get pictures of things that you like. It doesn't have to be the actual, the whole room or anything, but just particular areas that you like. We can make sure we include those kind of elements in the design. Make a list of the things that you want to do in the rooms and how you want to use those rooms. Like, just for example, if you want to have a music room, it's important to design that in such a way that the piano is not sitting in the sun, because it would, warp the piano.
Right.
Okay, so each room has a specific use and purpose, and we like to design it so it functions properly for that use. And the more information we can get on paper, the better you can see it. If we can develop a 3D color rendering for you that you can actually do a virtual walkthrough, the better the better feeling you will have, more comfortable. The better you will have a better comfort level of what you're going to get when the project's finished.